how to push notifications on maps.me. Hello everyone, welcome to another maps.me tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can push notifications on maps.me. So how do you do it? The first step is to log in into your maps.me account, then move to the bottom part of the screen where you can see some icons such as search, route, hub, favorites, more. So click on the more option, and in the options displayed, select settings. On the settings page, just go ahead to locate your notifications icon or your notifications option. So once you're on the settings page and you are going through it to see if you cannot find notifications icon, just like I did not find mine here, it shows that you cannot enable push notifications directly on the maps.me app. So you'd have to go to your settings. Okay, so just head over to the settings page. Okay, and once you're on the page, head over to your apps. All right, then once all of your apps are displayed, ensure you select or you select maps.me, and then select notifications under the apps details page. Right, so in order to allow push notifications, you can see that mine is turned on already. So if you do not want to allow yours, you can just turn it up this way, and then you will no longer receive notifications on map.me. But in order to enable it, click on it, and then that way you'll be able to receive notifications on maps.me. So this is the trick on how to go about it. So ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.